bata guys! For today's video, we will be cooking Nilagang Baboy na Buto Buto, also known as Hokbon Nilagang.
Nilagay. And these are the main ingredient, guys.
Yes. Hokbon,
Potato,
cabbage,
leaf of the onion.
leaf of the onion. Yeah.
Oh, no. Onion leaves, pechay,
Some vegetables.
yep, and a little bit of
Red
onions. Alright, so come. First step guys, dahil yung meron na kaming main ingredients namin na buto-buto, nilaga ko na siya kasi frozen siya kanina. So, after ko siyang nilaga like 1 hour, soup is here. Kung sariwa guys, direkta nyo na. Kung fresh yung buto-buto nyo, direkta nyo na sa tubig na papakuluan nyo. For now, dahil nalaga ko na siya, so this is the first step. Put it in the pot.
Don't throw away that water. It is not an ordinary water anymore. It is already like
The secret.
the secret with the pig fat. Start your fire. Don't forget to boil water.
Boiled water. The recipe is needing more soup.
Sige.
Sige, alam mo?
Oh, alam ko.
Oh!
Now is the time to add the hot water.
Yun mga katagay, ito na po yung tubig, binubuhos ko na.
Whoa!
This is the pork, buto-buto.
Woo!
No, it will. There you go. 3, 4.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
That's money.
Whoa!
Sayang.
Whoa. Hey, don't throw it. Sometimes, you know, we can make something out of this ball.
And my guitar is dirty with the pop-pop. Next one is
Potato. Yo. Potato. Not tomato. Potato.
Potato.
We put a potato in it.
Ooh.
Yes. This is not the fast food video, but we just talk very fast.
Very fast talking to each other.
Yeah. So
Recipe, yeah.
so about just now, that is not tomato, but it is a potato.
Oh, mixing all that.
And this is the time to put the beef cube.
So after you put the patatas, the potato,
So,
put
the beef cube. Don't forget to put the beef cube, yo. And then,
a little bit of onion.
whoa, let the finger by finger. And then, do you know how to use it? First, no, it will drop. Oh no, this is a black pepper, but it's a grinder.
Oh, grinder.
Spin. Oh, is it enough?
Mahirap i-grind tong paminta nila din. Ngawit na ako.
What is that?
Pinong paminta.
Oh, cheating.
Alright.
So you're
Very
cheating.
fast. So,
Oh,
hinaya ko na guys. Nakakapagod na dyan. And then,
fish sauce.
fish sauce. To make it, you know,
Fishy.
to make it more malasa. Okay. We will adjust the taste later. Alright guys, so we wait another 10 minutes to 15 minutes.
For the potato.
Yeah.
So 10 minutes it is.
Alright.
This is the time we put the pork flavor seasoning powder.
Tansyahin na lang natin guys dahil medyo marami kasing sabaw. A little
Yes.
more. Yeah. Ooh. Taste it a little. Masarap.
Oh.
This is the next.
MSG.
Yeah. After that,
Yeah.
we put
The cabbage.
cabbage.
And we put it with gentle.
I wish guys that our pan will not, you know, overflow. The next one, pechay. There's no space guys. Wala na mapaglagyan. Then you can put it like this.
Whoa!
We need to wait
Imagine,
a little to, you know, the cabbage will be soft to drop inside. Yeah, it becomes soft. Pag lumambot, lulubog yan. Wala kasi kaming mas malaking pan. So this is balls.
Yeah.
Like his balls.
Toing. To turn around your vegetable.
And then, put the
onions leaf.
leaf of the onion. Our pork nilaga is now ready to serve.
Ready to serve.
Guys, eto na. Favorite nating lahat. Tikiman time.
Tikiman time.
So, I'm very, hungry for now. So, I will tikim it first.
Let him.
Una na akong titikim, guys.
Yeah.
Laging masarap.
My turn. Oh, the cabbage flavor is very strong.
Is it malinamnam?
Malinamnam.
Para lalo kayong ganahan, guys, put some, chili powder.
Yeah, just you can add it. You can also not add it. This is, according to your taste, spiciness in our dish.
Become very become more very good.
So
Guys, ciao ulitin. Maraming salamat ulit sa panonood nyo sa Nilagang Buto Buto. Thank you so much.
thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat. So I hope you guys try this recipe. It's very easy. It's very easy and everybody can cook. Today we're cooking Nilagang Baboy na Buto Buto. It feels so delicious and I wanna to eat it. I can't wait to eat it.
Very masarap.
Very masarap, yo. Very masarap, laging masarap. I can't wait to eat it with all the ingredients we put it in. With the black pepper, MSG, and the fish sauce all together, yo.
Oh yeah.
We're decided to do the cooking, and I got nothing to do but only playing the guitar. And I hope this will entertain you, yo.
Yeah.
Nilagang Buto Buto
Na baboy. Laging masarap. Please like and share.
Please like and share.
Please put some comment.
Put some comment.
And subscribe.
Nilagang Baboy na Buto Buto. Laging masarap. Laging masarap. Very delicious. Very delicious. Laging masarap. Always delicious. That's what it means.
Suportahan niyo po kami sa aming pagbablog.
Yeah. Maraming salamat, yo.
See you on our next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.